If your iPhone's Wi-Fi icon is grayed out and you cannot turn it on, here are some quick ways to fix it and get your connection back. First of all, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and volume up, then slide to power off. Wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Next, try resetting network settings. And for that, go to your settings app, tap on General, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings from the options. This clears Wi Fi, cellular, and VPN settings, but this won't delete your data. After that, turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down for control center, enable airplane mode, wait 10 seconds, then turn it off again. This can refresh all radio signals including Wi-Fi. And if your iPhone is overheating, Wi-Fi might shut off temporarily. Turn it off, let it cool down and try again after a few minutes. Next, check for any updates, and for that, go back to the General Settings menu, tap on Software Update and install any updates. Sometimes a Wi-Fi bug is fixed with a software patch. If nothing helps, use DFU mode with a computer to reinstall iOS. But be careful, this can erase your data, so use it as a last resort. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.